First of all, congratulations sa entire cast, or sa celebrity and social media answers natin. My question is for Alden. Boss Alden.
Uy! Sige.
Alam namin smart yung sa TikTok pero what makes this hosting job special and personal for you?
Well, before I answer that, syempre, I would like to greet everyone a very good afternoon po. Maraming salamat. It's been a while. And also our bosses from GMA, of course, Ms. Gigi, Ms. Che, Ms. Darlene, and Tita Angel's here. Good morning po. Ano ulit yung tanong nito?
What makes it special?
What makes it special? Okay, sorry. Dami kasi nandito eh. I think, first and foremost, this is an original concept of GMA. And I've never seen anything like this before on TV, locally. But when it was presented to all of us, parang the show really tells us and gives us something different in the world of dance. And nung ginawa na namin siya, nung nakapag-tape na kami ng few episodes, parang aside from the concept kasi na napakaganda, and I think, for the record, I think this is the best show that I've ever hosted in GMA, in my history as well. So far, ito yung show na excited akong pumunta kapag may taping. Ito yung show na excited akong makita yung mga kasama ko. Yeah, but I think the energy inside this show of everyone that's involved, from the creatives to the staff and crew, to the star duos, to the dance authority, to everyone, sobra kaming in one boat. And we bring out the best in each other. I think more, that's why the whole show itself, the dances, the showcase of everyone, napapatungan siya ng extra. And I feel that as a host. Parang that's how I work kasi. I need to feel everyone's energy. Because my task is to connect the dance authority to the star duos, to the audience, and the entire show to the viewers. And the energy that this show has helps me by a long shot. Sobrang ang dali ng trabaho. Saka uuwi kami, hindi kami pagod. Yung pinag-uusapan nga namin palagi yan. Hindi ka. Iba yung story yan ni Faith kasi lalo kahapon. Yeah, but anyway, kidding aside, I think this is, I think, the biggest dance collab show ever produced in Philippine television history. And I can't wait for all the viewers locally and sa abroad na mapanood nila to kasi we're very excited. Embargo pa pala to.
Yes.
Tumayo naman. Joke lang. Uy. Pero yeah, but we're very excited, we're very happy, and I think ayoko nang magbigay ng mga sugarcoat na pinaghirapan namin to, hindi kami natulog, ganyan. You have to see it for yourself. You have to see the show to know what I'm talking about. Thank you po.
Now, speaking of connecting everybody from the dance authority to the dancer and the audience, as host ba, since you have the first-hand interaction with everyone, is there a specific story or journey ng mga dancers natin na you find really inspiring, that you feel na audience can really resonate with?
I think sinabi ko to with one of the episodes na parang performance yung sa I think that's unique performance kasi silang ginawa. And then that hit me na parang, wow, there's really more to dance than meets the eye. Hindi lang siya choreography, hindi lang siya music, hindi lang siya synchronicity. It's telling a story. Parang acting. Parang yung trifecta ng art, which is dancing, singing, acting, what have you. Really tells a story, and I think kahit sa hindi dancers, when they watch the show, I think somehow may inspire sila to really dance. Kasi all of the choreographies and all of the showcases that was already done, na shoot namin, iba-iba siya eh. And every taping or every episode, we look forward, anong bago. And I really have to commend the choreographers for that.
And they are the ones who's really on top of everything. Nakikita ko yung hirap nila. Imagine si Eljan, apat kaming sumasayaw, kinokoryo niya kami isa-isa with different dance moves. I mean, sorry na guys, si Eljan pa lang yung nakasayaw. At saka si Coach MJ pa lang. And Coach, huwag ka na magalit. Yeah, but I can't really say that I'm really a dancer. I just can dance. But with this show, yan. Sasayaw pa tayo mamaya. Yeah, but with this show, parang pwede namin tawagin talaga lahat ng mga sarili namin mahuhusay na mananalo because of the experience.
Yeah. But anyway, congratulations to everyone and good luck with the show.
Thanks, thank you.